Hey honeys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Shanae, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this sleek low ponytail and also this bubble ponytail at the back. So if you're interested, continue watching. So jumping straight into this tutorial, my friend's hair is already washed, blow dried, and flat ironed because her hair is natural. So I'm going to go ahead and make a part from ear to ear because we are going to do these two parts at the front. So I'm just sectioning it out and I'm going to work with the back portion first. I'm going to make sure it is nice and sleek, and then I'm going to move to the top. I have a lot of ponytail videos on my channel, guys, if you are interested. So what I do is I go in sections and I basically put it up into a ponytail, I free spray it, blow dry it, and then continue. And that is exactly what you'll see me doing now. Alright, so once I've finished slicking down the back portion, I'm just going to remove the band and put everything all together in one. And then I'm going to move to the top portion of her hair. So for the front, I'm going to start off by making a part straight in the middle, and I use her nose as a guide, and then I'm going to make a slanted part on each side, and you want to make sure these slanted parts are equally done. That's why I use the middle part as a guide, so I can make sure that it is equal. And once I've done that, as you can see, I'm going to go ahead and start slicking that middle portion back into the ponytail. And this part I do in sections as well. Once the middle part is nice and sleek, I'm going to move over to the sides, and I'm just combing out any hairs I'm going to be using as her baby hairs and her sideburns. And I'm going to go ahead and slick the sides down, but instead of slicking it back, I'm going to slick it to the side and bring it back into her ponytail. So now that I've gotten her hair nice and flat and it's all ready to go in the ponytail, I'm just going to take out that band and I'm going to tie her hair back in the ponytail with everything all together. For her ponytail, I'm going to be using Expressions braiding hair in this two-toned 1B and 30 color. And I'm just going to attach the braiding hair to her hair like I would do a regular braided ponytail. So because I won't be feeding in any hair, I wanted the hair to be thick, so I used a bundle and a half. And now I'm just attaching it onto her hair. As you can see, I'm using the same elastic that I took off one of the bundles. And I'm just bringing some hair to the back to cover it for when I do that bubble style. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a piece out and do her wrap. And this is just to cover the band.
You be my moonshine, 'cause you are.
So once her band is covered, I'm just going in with these small black elastics and I'm using it to put the ponytail in basically another ponytail. So it's basically small ponytails in one ponytail. So I use the black elastic, I catch that small portion up into a ponytail. I will be taking a small strand of hair and wrapping it around that black ponytail so it looks more sleek. And then I'll go ahead and stretch the hair out all around. And then I use my got2b free spray to spray that wrap that I wrapped and my blow dryer to dry it. That way it stays in place. And that is basically what I do until the very end of the ponytail.
Girl, you such a good find. You deserve a good time. Let me hold you down, down, down. Body floating like a cruise line. Won't you be my moonshine? You are.
So once I finish the back portion, I'm just going in with my 24-hour Ebon edge control, and I'm just going to do her edges and sideburns. So once I finish doing her baby hairs and sideburns, that is basically it for this hairstyle. I'm just finishing it off with my oil sheen spray to give it a nice shine. But this is how the style looks, guys. It looks so nice and sleek. This is what you call a sleek ponytail. So I'm just gonna give you guys a look of how I did the front. And then of course the bubble ponytail. I decided to do something different with this color because normally I do black, and black is kind of, you know, give it a little color. Summertime's coming. So yeah, I hope you guys liked this look. I hope you guys learned something from it if you are interested in doing this style. This is the end of the tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know in the comments what you guys would like to see me do next. Bye guys.